Hi, welcome to RodeoPoker.net, the internet's most exciting poker and casino venue. This tutorial video will outline the steps required for you to play poker and start earning real money. First, click on the Classic Poker download icon. When the prompt appears from Windows, select Yes. Once you have clicked Yes, a pop-up screen will appear where you will be required to follow the installation prompts. Click Next. Then read, and if you agree, accept the end user agreement. Then, select the components you wish to install, followed by the folder you wish to save the application to. The program will now install to your computer. Then, click Finish to allow the application to run. This process will then take a few moments to initialize. When the home screen appears, you will then first need to create an account by clicking the Login button, then Sign Up Now. You will then need to enter your details into the empty fields. Once complete, click Step 2 to enter your username and then Submit. Once you have completed your details, you will then receive an email to activate your new account. Once your account has been activated, click Login, enter your username and password, followed by your online username. Once you have entered your online username, the application will then log on to the servers, giving you instant access to all the live games. You will then have access to ring games, tournaments, and sit and go tables. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you at the tables!